Good day everyone, I'm Melody Butak and I am going to discuss you the concepts of big data. But before that, let me discuss you the big data. So first, what is big data? Definition of big data is data that contains greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity. Put simply, big data is larger, more complex data sets, especially from new data sources. These data sets are so voluminous that traditional data processing software just can't manage them. Big data helps companies to generate valuable insights. Companies use big data to refine their marketing campaigns and techniques. Companies use it in machine learning projects to train machines, predictive modeling, and other advanced analytics applications. We can't equate big data to any specific data volume. With the advent of the Internet of Things, or what we call on the IoT, more objects and devices are connected to the Internet, gathering data on customer usage patterns and product performance. The emergence of machine learning has produced still more data. So, let's begin for the concepts of big data. The first is the volume of data. The sheer volume of data being stored today is exploding. In the year 2000, 800,000 petabytes or PB of data were stored in the world, of course, a lot of the data that's being created today isn't analyzed at all, and that's another problem that needs to be considered. The number is expected to reach 35 zettabytes or ZB by 2020. Twitter alone generates more 7 terabytes of data every day. Facebook is 10 TB, and some enterprises generate terabytes of data every hour of every day of the year. It's no longer unheard of for individual enterprise to have storage clusters holding petabytes of data. When you stop and think about it, it's a little wonder we're drowning in data. We store everything: environmental data, financial data, medical data, surveillance data, and the list goes on and on. For example, taking your smartphone out of your holster generates an event. When your commuter train's door opens for boarding, that's an event. Check in for a plane, budge into work, buy a song of iTunes, change the TV channel, take an electronic toll route. Every one of these actions generates data. As implied by the term big data, organizations are facing massive volumes of data. Organizations that don't know how to manage this data are overwhelmed by it. But the opportunity exists with the right technology platform to analyze almost all of the data, or at least more of it, by identifying the data that's useful to you to gain a better understanding of your business, your customers, and the marketplace. And this leads to the current conundrum facing today's businesses across all industries. Next is the variety of data. With the explosion of sensors and smart devices, as well as the social collaboration technologies, data in an enterprise has become complex because it includes not only traditional relational data but also raw, semi-structured, and unstructured data from web pages, weblogs files, including clickstream data, search indexes, social media forums, email, documents, sensor data from active and passive systems, and so on. Quite simply, the variety represents all types of data, a fundamental shift in analysis requirements from traditional structured data to include raw, semi-structured, and unstructured data as part of the decision-making and insights process. Traditional analytic platforms can handle variety. However, an organization's success will rely on its ability to draw insights from the various kinds of data available to it, which includes both traditional and non-traditional. Next is the velocity of data. This is the sheer volume and variety of data we collect, and the store has changed, so too has the velocity at which it is generated and needs to be handled and conventional understanding of velocity typically considered how quickly the data is arriving, the stored, and its associated rates of the retrieval. While managing all of the quickness is good, and the volumes of data that we are looking at are a consequence of how quickly the data arrives. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and God bless.